What's up, YouTube? Bagpiper coming at you from the new car. Real quick, got a Yabo from Mod Piper. We went in on some Dagner bits. Hey, look, bro note. He finally remembered to put one in there. Hi. Hi. Oh, it cracks me up. Been waiting on these. I've got 2 mods that I need to put this in. I'm actually going to have to buy more because I really like these and I want to replace the stems in all of my in both of my modded Dagners. Look at that, a nice little sample of Navigator and a sample of Stonehenge. It smells good. It's awesome, man. Thank you. I do appreciate it. I love the bro note. That's it. On my way to the store, just checking the mail. Just a quick little Yabo. Trying to get some stuff finished so I can run to the post office because I've got a couple of packages to send out today. So just wanted to jump on real quick and make a Yabo from the new car. Alright, y'all keep them fully and rolling. Bagpiper out.